Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, I have already explained you in my previous video that there is a pattern forming. Okay, and I have keep repeating in this video because if a new viewer see, they have to understand that how the market is moving. After pandemic there is a continuous rise we have seen, and only after the war situation we have seen that there is a difference in import and export. Okay, that is where the price of natural gas has come down sharply because of the demand and supply. Okay, so if you look at this particular after pandemic situation, what we have seen, this was in this range. As soon as it started hitting, moving upside and making a new high, a sharp fall is coming. After that it again moves high after forming a swing. That is where it tries to go upside. Okay, and this was the fifth time. If you have seen, I have already told you that at a level of around that in May 2021 that price can go further high. You can check my 2021's videos where I have categorically told you that it can make a new high and new high, because there was high chances, and at this level we have not seen since long. Okay, now if the price fall below a level of $2, then we can see it can go further low, because this level also we have not seen since long, and a probability is very high that once it comes in this zone, then probability of going further low will be there for the price of natural gas. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is the gap pending at a level of $4.1 to a level of 4.35. So if the price comes close to this level, we can see a level of $4.35. Okay, now the range is moving in this particular zone. Okay, now if you look at this particular zone, the price of natural gas is moving at a level of $2.311. Okay, and from 2 days it is continuously making red candles, and probability is high. Overall trend, if you look at this, after $3 there is a continuous fall. It tries to make a swing, but it didn't, this swing didn't sustain. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this particular level, because market is always uncertain, you cannot say that it will go upside or downside, but what you can predict by looking at the chart, that what is the price action of a trend. See, if you look at this price action, we can say that overall trend is downside. Till now also we have not seen it has touched the high of that particular zone, that is a 3, or it has not break a level of $2, which is a low of this particular zone. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what you can see, it is forming green candle, chances of it is forming red candle, chances of going further low is there. Okay, but suppose if the price sustain this level, it can move towards its next resistance of $2.409. okay, and if that level also sustain, it can cross a level of $2.463, which is already being a weak resistance, and chances are high it can cross a level of around $2.55, and probability is very high it can cross that particular zone, and chances of touching a level of 2.751 is there. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above $2.751, then a probability of going further high is there, because $2.577 is a strong resistance. So if the price sustain above that level, it can go further high, and a probability of touching $2.804 is there. And if the price sustain above that level, we can see it can touch a level of around $3.051. okay, so once it sustain above $3.051, we can see it can go further high. And why you can look at this particular chart, because this is the zone. Once started moving above $3, we can see that it can touch a level of $3.3 to a level of around $3.576, and then further high we can see the price of natural gas. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, because we have seen a swing is forming at this particular level and 2 red candles are forming. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards its next support of $2.265, and if that level move further down, then it can cross a level of around $2.176, which is already being a weak support. Okay, so chances are very high it can move further down, and a probability of touching 2.064 is there. This $2.064 is already being a weak support, so chances are very high it can move further low, and a probability of touching $1.932 is there. Okay, and once the price fall below $1.932, we can see it can touch a level of $1.857, and from there we can see it can go further low to a probability of $1.802. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, we can see a level of $1.642, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of 1.507, and then further low if the price didn't sustain. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, so